he's chasing the car right there. Oh man.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be watching some instant karma videos. And before we start, I wanted to say thank you for your amazing support. There are some people who click the like button before they watch the video, so that's amazing. Thank you very much. And with that said, let's get started. Oh, a nice Maserati Ghibli. Nice car. Let's see what happens. Move! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Their luck, man. They just ran into the whole police department. That was nice. Let's see here. Oh, oh, oh. Why are you running? Why are you running? Stop it. What is going on here? Changing lanes like a boss. And check yourself before you wreck yourself, or in this case, check your mirrors before you wreck yourself. Let's see here. Oh, this is a perfect example. You don't need a police for instant justice and karma. Oh well, that's one way to get a ticket. Get over here. He almost runs over the cop and the cop pulls him over and he's like, what? Oh, I like this one. Get him, boys. And sorry I had to do that. And now let's see how the Australian karma works. And yeah, it works great. Whoop whoop, that's the sound of the police. They have so many unmarked police vehicles. I like that. And now we're back in Russia, I think. Yeah, yes we are. And they have some mercs. I didn't know that. This is the first time I see Russian police merc, so good for them, I guess. And this must be rapid response unit. Toyota Prius, slowing everyone down since the first one came out of the factory. I don't know why would someone use it as a police car, but whatever floats their boats. Whoa, 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 easy, hold your horses, mate. Let's see here. For some reason this Saudi driver thinks this is the right way to go. Great job, my dude. I'm not gonna say anything else. Let's move on to the next one. And this guy is like, behold my genius. Everyone follow my lead.
Oh, look at this
Oh,
guy.
hell no. Oh, no, no, no. Don't follow me, actually. I'm stupid. And I'm stuck.
What an idiot.
You're damn right, man. Oh, we're going back in time. This is in 1970. I didn't know they had X5s back then, but okay. And here we have an Englishman driving on our Russian roads. Let's see how this ends. And the cop is like, What are you doing? Are you crazy? Get over there. Right now. Here we have another genius. But this time he turned on his hazard light. So that is a game changer right there. Now the police can spot him easier. Oh, finally! This is one of my favorites. I love their reaction, so let's hear it.
Yes, pull him over!
They're like, celebration time, come on! Outstanding move right there. Just go through the red light in front of the police. Great job. This is a never-ending battle between man and ramp. Who's gonna win? Let's see. He's like, come on, come on, open up. There you go. And the cops are like, how did you do that? We tried that yesterday and it didn't work. So tell us now, how did you do that?
Hey, that person. Those people aren't allowed to do that. Very right. That was really interesting. Oh, that truck.
And now guys, it's time to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching and thank you very much for your amazing support. It really means a lot. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!